Hey there! Today I'm excited to share an incredible story about how Aquaritin 19 has been a game changer for golf courses everywhere. If you're a golf course manager or superintendent, you're going to want to hear this. So what's Aquaritin 19? It's a nanosilica-based foliar spray fertilizer that's packed with a balanced NPK formula and essential micronutrients. But here's the kicker. It drastically reduces the need for traditional fertilizers and fungicides, and I mean drastically. Imagine lush green turf that's not only healthier, but also more stress-resistant. Thanks to nanotechnology, Aquaritin 19 enhances nutrient uptake efficiently, making your turf look pristine and ready for play. And here's the best part. It saves you money and time. Say goodbye to constant fertilizer applications and fungicide treatments. I've got some amazing testimonials from golf course managers who've made the switch. They're seeing healthier greens, improved playability, and significant cost savings. One superintendent even mentioned that his input costs dropped by 30%. That's huge. But it's not just about the money. Aquaritin 19 is also an environmentally friendly solution. It reduces the impact on our planet while giving you those championship caliber greens. Sustainable turf management? Check. Now, I know some of you might be skeptical about nanotechnology, but trust me, the science backs it up. With Aquaritin 19, you're not just getting a fertilizer, you're getting a comprehensive turf management solution that lets you spray less, water less, and reduce labor inputs while improving turf health. So, if you're looking to elevate your golf course game and make a sustainable choice, give Aquaritin 19 a try. Your turf and your budget will thank you. That's it for today. Thanks for watching, and here's to greener, healthier greens. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more updates. See you next time.